So here is mine and Adam's presentation on the black dragonfish. I'll be the one presenting. We both equally split the work, but Adam's working on an essay at the moment. So I agreed to present. So the scientific name is Idiacanthus atlanticus. The common name known by many is a black dragonfish. The phylum classification is a chordata. It eats midwater fish, aquatic crustaceans, and zooplankton. The main predator of the black dragonfish is the bream, which is a fish that lives under their same habitat. It uses external fertilization to reproduce. It was discovered in 1906. It was discovered by very early deep-sea expeditions by August Brower. We got three questions, and the first one is, how do they find such a hard-to-see creature underneath those deep waters? Why are the females much larger than the males? The females sit at 40 centimeters long, while the males only sit at 5 to 6. And how do the dragonfish see their own bioluminescence when other fish cannot? So we have three interesting facts. Male dragonfish have no teeth, lack a chin barbell, and have no digestive system. The second one, sorry, I already said it before, but females can grow up to 40, while males only grow up to 7 max. In the larval stage, the eyes of the larvae appear as long stalks that dangle out of the body. Eventually, they retreat as the fish ages and reaches maturity. Here's our meme. This is a male dragonfish, very small, and we put, I'm big at heart, I swear. And here's our final bibliography, and thank you for listening.